This is my 5000 BTU Kenmore air conditioner. This is from the 80s and it's made by Whirlpool. This one has a Matsushita compressor in it versus the Seeger compressor that 70s Whirlpool has in it, and that one is a lot heavier. That compressor weighs a ton, but the Matsushita compressor is a lot lighter. And I have the original box for this one. It's in excellent condition. I believe it's rated at 5.2 amps. And the compressor's on this side, which you probably won't be able to see. Let me see do I have a light down here? Hang on. And then if you look at the back of the unit, there's an intake vent. The condenser coil is not spread across the entire unit, so it's a little different than the Whirlpool from the 70s. There is the compressor. And this one has a universal electric fan motor. Like I said, this one is in really good condition. Here's the control panel. It's got power saver fan and constant fan, and the thermostat. This control knob for the fan speed came off of a WCI Kenmore from the 80s. Because the original knob that was on this broke for some reason. So I got that one on there, but it works. This one is kind of in the middle as far as loudness goes. That 70s 6000 BTU Whirlpool is the quietest of all the small chassis units that I have. This one's in the middle, and then that Coolerator 7000 BTU is the loudest by far. But yeah, so let's start the fan up on high. .88 amps, 99 watts. Go to medium. 0.8 amps. And low. So this one is not as quiet as the Whirlpool from the 70s with the Seeger compressor, but it's definitely not as loud as the Coolerator. Alright, I'm going to put the heater in front of it and we'll get the compressor to start. The thermostat just clicked. Didn't take long for that to get ready to start. So turn the compressor on. We're going to go directly to low. At 3.72 amps, 353 watts. Power factor is definitely lower with the compressor running. So let's let it run for a while. After a couple minutes we're down to 55 with the heater blowing in, and we are at 4.11 amps, 420 watts. This air conditioner was not used much at all before I got it, which is nice. That way I know I got lots of years of use to get out of this one. I just brought the Coolerator down here, and as you can see it's got the same case as the Kenmore does. This will be in the next video. After about a half an hour we have leveled off at 4.6 amps on low speed. 488 watts. And this just turned off. Let me get it turned back on. that's what we're putting out. And this has the heater blowing right into it, so it's not as cold as it could be. But that's where we're at. Let's go up to medium. And high speed. Now you can just hear the compressor. Alright, that'll do it for this one. Now I'm going to do the coolerator.